The Naviate command simple trench can calculate the pipe trench excavation values from one or more pipes together with a subassembly. The command starts by selecting either individual pipes or an entire network. Then select the subassembly to be used as a section template. Next, set the property set to be used for the calculation. Clicking Yes in Do you wish to view the property data opens the old Naviate property functionality. Instead, select No and select a pipe, and the same information is present in the normal properties palette on the Extended Data tab. To see the cumulative values, start the Naviate property palette and select all pipes with the property set, and then tick the summation box. At the bottom of this dialog, it's possible to run a CSV export or create a table. If one or more of the pipes are changed, run the command again and select Update. The calculation is based on information from both the subassembly and the pipes. From the subassembly, we get the side slope, insulation depth and area, backfill area, bedding depth and area, and bottom width. The area values come from the default width and the default height within the subassembly. From the pipe, the calculation uses the inner diameter, the wall thickness, 2D length, and start and end cover. All these values can be seen in the property set.